Hello dear students. In this video, today I will discuss about the topic internal structure of human heart, in which about some general points, its anatomy, nodal pattern, valves pattern, etc. This topic is very important for the NEET exam because there are many questions come in this topic in different years. So let's start. So student, this is the internal structure of human heart. In this structure, the human heart is divided into two compartments. First is smaller, is called atria, and second is larger, called ventricles. Atria and ventricle divided by a septa is called auriculoventricular septa, which is made up of fibrous connective tissue having thick wall, and a small portion is called atria, also divided right and left in by the septa called interauricular septa, and also ventricles divided into right and left by a septa is called interventricular septa. So, in case of the right auricular region, a superior vena cava carries blood from the upper part of the body and open into upper side of the right auricular region. It is also called precaval. And in another inferior vena cava, it is called postcaval, carries blood from the middle and lower part of the body and open into lower side of the right auricular region. And another special type of the coronary sinus, which open into right auricular region and carries blood from the wall of the heart itself. If we discuss about the artery and vein pattern, then we know that all arteries having oxygenated blood, but in case of the pulmonary artery, receive blood from the right ventricular region and carries blood to lungs for the purification. But in case of the vein, all veins having deoxygenated blood, but in case of the pulmonary vein, this carries blood from the lungs to the region of the heart, this having four in number. If we discuss about the wall patterns, then right auricular ventricular septa having tricuspid valve and left auricular ventricular septa having bicuspid valve. What is the tricuspid and bicuspid? So in case of the tricuspid valve having three flaps, 1, 2, 3, and in case of the bicuspid having two cusps, 1 and 2. The number of tricuspid valve bicuspid is 1 and 1, but tricuspid having three cusp and bicuspid have bi means two cusp. Another valves in case of the superior vena cava, the opening of the superior vena cava, having Haversian valve, and in opening of the inferior vena cava having Eustachian valve, and the opening of coronary sinus having Thebesian or coronary valve. If we discuss about the valve pattern, so the heart is having three valves. For outer is called pericardium, and middle is called myocardium, and inner is called endocardium. Pericardium is outermost, and myocardium is thicker, and endocardium is having the inner lining of the heart, and it is thinnest layer of the heart. So we discuss about the nodal pattern. Then in auricular region, right auricular region, a SA node is present. It is called a pacemaker, and AV node, then bundle of His and Purkinje fibers left and right. So in case of the, if we discuss about the nodal tissue, in case of the nodal tissue having the property to generate action potential without external stimuli. So this is the auto excitable nature, and in case of the SA node having the maximum action potential up to 70 to 80 per minute, and AV node having action potential 40 to 60 per minute, and bundle up is 35 to 40 per minute, and Purkinje fibers having action potential 30 to 35 per minute. In case of the aorta and in case of the pulmonary artery, this having girded by semi-lunar valve. Separately, in case of the aorta having aortic valve and pulmonary artery having pulmonary valve. In tricuspid and bicuspid, the flasp attached to a fibrous tissue is called chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae attached to papillary muscle. Papillary muscle attached to trabeculae corneae. Trabeculae corneae is split in whole ventricles. Pulmonary artery attached to aorta by a ligamentum called ligamentum arteriosum. So, students, SA node is called pacemaker, AV node is called pace setter, and bicuspid valve is called mitral valve. And we know that wall of atria is thin, and it works as a reservoir for blood entry. In case of fetus condition, interauricular septa replaced to foramen ovales. But in adult condition, this foramen change into two depression, right and left. In right called fossa ovalis, and in left called fossa lunata. But after birth, if this changement is not found, in this case, mixing of blood in atrial region, so body of baby is like blue and called blue baby, and this condition is called cyanosis. We know that a SA node, which is called pacemaker, having maximum action potential and basis for the rhythm of the heartbeat. But in case of SA node is damaged, in this case, AV node generate action potential, which is not properly sufficient, so abnormal beating take place, in which doctors replace a artificial pacemaker in place of this, which is made up of lithium battery. This problem in which the heart beating rate is reduced due to degeneration of SA node called Stokes-Adams syndrome. Next, another case is damage of chordae tendineae. There is no proper opening of tricuspid or bicuspid. So, the blood flow in aorta and pulmonary artery reduce.